Could make this longer and then just bend it down. And then you put your hold in it. It would be hard to hit that little lip there. A little bit. You know, tricky Ricky.
Bob's not biting.
I like it. It's got patina, you know. You can't fake that stuff. That's authentic look.
Bob says no. Bob says not Hollywood style.
No.
Not Hollywood enough.
Our metalwork is not nearly good enough to have it raw like that.
That's might be what makes it look cool though. You know?
Hey, look at these guys. They must have had an orphanage come over and do a body work.
Shut up, dude. That ain't right. You can't use this footage.
No. Read.
Deleted. Paint, stir stick, spacers.
What's up, bro?
Oh, you know, I was trying to capture the moment.
Capture the action. Fast action tonight.
Fast acting, tenacting.
Do it all. Get fucking rowdy with it.
What?
You got a marker?
You probably got
wipe it down first, otherwise your marker will be shitty.
Oh, no.
Milwaukee. Think so, huh? Milwaukee.
That's an Inkzall, dude. It's Inkzalla, dude.
Piece over there, bud.
Woo!
Man.
Just on the verge of
Just a little bit
destruction.
fat here.
Alright, we're gonna go a little bit long though.
Coming a little bit long there.
So you can fold it or fucking...
Fold her. Fold her, bruh.
Ooh.
Nice. It's nice.
It's very nice. I'm in the action now too. See that?
There he is. Ta-da! Bet he can't cut with the shear.
Inkzall, Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Shit like that, Nick does not love that at all.
Use them muscles.
You're gonna have a
When you got them
strong
big
forearm,
palms.
dude.
Got them big palms, you know, the bear paws.
Yep.
These scissors kick ass, dude.
Yeah, I like them. Made in America. Sharp fucking edge though. You gotta watch yourself.
This might be a tag tool.
Might need to tag over for a second. And some arm pump on it. I knew you weren't gonna get it. I knew you weren't gonna get it easy. Woo! Ain't that sure.
Oh, the sun.